In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in AWeber. By the end, you'll have a clean branded form ready to capture subscribers right from your website. Start by signing into your AWeber account and heading to the Sign Up Forms area in your dashboard. This is where all your list building tools live. Choose the option for creating a form for your website. This tells AWeber you want a web form you can place on your site rather than a standalone landing page. Next, you'll see the template gallery. Browse through the designs and select a template that matches your brand's style and the amount of information you want to collect. Clean, simple layouts usually convert best, especially if your audience is new to you. Once you've found one you like, confirm your choice and load the template into the editor so you can start customizing. In the editor, make the form your own. Update the headline to clearly state the benefit of subscribing and adjust the description to set expectations about what people will receive. Keep your fields focused. Email is essential, and first name is a common optional field if you plan to personalize emails. Edit the button text to be action-oriented, such as subscribe or get updates. Apply your brand basics, colors, fonts, and logo, so the form feels consistent with your website. If the template includes extra elements you don't need, feel free to remove them to reduce friction. A short note about privacy or how often you email can also help build trust without adding clutter. When your design looks right, proceed to the next step in the builder. Here, give your form a clear internal name. This won't be visible to visitors. It's for your organization within AWeber. Use a naming convention that will make sense later, like including the page or offer the form belongs to. Now choose your thank you page. You can go with AWeber's built-in confirmation page or direct subscribers to a custom page on your site. Pick the option that best fits your promise, whether that's confirming they're on the list, pointing them to their next step, or simply thanking them for subscribing. After you've selected the page, confirm your choice. Move to the final step. Review everything at a glance to make sure your copy, fields, and settings look good. When you're satisfied, save your form. That's it. Your sign-up form is now created and safely stored in AWeber, ready for you to use wherever you need it. You've just built a professional sign-up form in AWeber, designed it to match your brand, set the thank you experience, and saved it for deployment. Great work.